So my name is Heidi Peterson. I am currently the Director of College Relations and Professional Recruitment on the West Coast for Rite Aid Corporation. Previous to that, I was the Regional Pharmacy Recruiter for Rite Aid, so I was in charge of the Pacific Northwest. And then prior to that, I worked in the pharmaceutical industry, and I was also a pharmacy manager for another corporation. So Rite Aid is actually the third largest pharmacy chain. We have a large presence on the East Coast and the West Coast. We're a coastal company. We have about 4,600 stores and we're in 31 states. So it's a community pharmacy chain. I think why I joined Rite Aid is because there are a lot of opportunities for professional growth, especially for pharmacists, because Rite Aid is a pharmacy chain. So lots of opportunities for pharmacist professionals to kind of grow in that department and look at different career opportunities. My one piece of advice would be definitely do your research on the company to make sure that it's a right fit for you. I think a lot of times a lot of new grads just want to, get as many opportunities out there, but not really realizing if that is the right fit for them. So I would say definitely do research on the company, make sure the culture, the company is what you're looking for. I think one of my advice for them not to do would be one of the first questions to ask is, what about salary? I think salary is a conversation that comes later on during the job interview. So I think while salary is very important, it's something that can be discussed later on during the interview process versus the initial interview. The three qualities I look for would be definitely communication skills, that's very important. Leadership competencies would be another one. And then also being able to work well with others. So those are the big three that I look for. I think when I ask them what questions do they have for me, sometimes they get a little stumped and don't realize that it's a chance for them to interview me and the company, so sometimes they don't really have questions prepared. I would say be flexible and be adaptable to change, because right now job markets are different, and I always like to tell students wherever you start off in your career, it's not ultimately where you're going to end up. So being flexible and being adaptable to change will definitely enable you to push your career further.